Looking for the perfect protection for your architectural glass? A frosted glass protective film shields your curtain wall glass from scratches, dust, and damage during transportation and installation with easy application and residue-free removal. It keeps your surfaces flawless and your projects looking pristine. Custom widths and durable quality ensure a perfect fit for every curtain wall project. Choose the trusted solution for professional grade glass protection today. http://wash.p-protective-prom.com/n/contact-us.html/what-tactive-prom.com/bro.pamelastrop/8tro618,118,776